how to solve this Rubik's Cube in one side. First, I will shuffle it. I done. Now we want to make a cross here. See, like this. Then we have to turn this to this side. Before that we will put this color in the same. See, like this. Then you will turn to this side. To this side. See, now it's a white cross. Now we have to fold this sides. Here is one white. Then we should do these steps. Right, up, right inverse. Okay, now see, here is blue color. Now we will turn this into the same color. Now we only want to look this color and do these steps. Left, up inverse. Left, up inverse. Here is red color. Now we want to match this on red color. See, I did it full.